So I wanted to just kind of explain how this disc set works. So there are 4 57mm and 2 23 or 24mm. I'm going to see if I can make them in 18, but I'm not positive the eyes will fit. So this is the Peeking Reindeer. So when you extrude everything, this is the top. These are the bottom, so that's the right paw, left paw, or vice versa. And then these are obviously the 2 antlers, which are not interchangeable, but you can flip them either way, and so that's the easy part. These are the eyes, and that's the nose. So when you're gonna assemble this, you're gonna take the head and basically flip it upside down, and then you're gonna put the eyes in. So the head will be lying this way upside down. You're going to put the eyes in, then you're going to take the 2 sides of the paw and just make sure you have them lined up correctly because they're not reversible, and you're going to put the paw on and then put the other paw, and then that's going to leave a spot for the nose. So we flip it over and we have the head. We apply the eyes, then these 2 sides, then the nose. Then you can flip it all right side up and kind of attach the antlers. So that's the best way to assemble this disc set. It's not insanely complicated. It's just you kind of have to make sure you have the eyes going into the right groove, because as you notice, one eye is bigger than the other, and that you have the paws on the right side so that they aren't reversed. That way everything fits into its spots. I am making my Peeking Reindeer soap today. So last year I made it with a stencil, and this year I decided to make an embed. So here he is. I'm doing the same design with a white kind of base that he will sit on, so he's peeking up from a mound of snow, and then I'll just do the sky blue. I added shredded white to the oil, so I have a really fine kind of the Siaga technique soap, shredded white soap in it. So in the white base it's not really going to show up, but in the blue I'm hoping it will look like kind of a snowy winter sky. So I have these in, and look at this guy. Oh my gosh, I have so much. Isn't it adorable? Oh my gosh, it just makes me smile. The goal now is to get this in the soap in one piece. So I have enough to make an extra, like the weight of the embeds and the shreds give me an extra 40 ounces of soap. So I'm making another also small batch, because I also extruded enough to make just a little bit extra. Okay. This might actually be easier, have more control because I can push the sides away. Oh, so much better. Live and learn. Okay, I'm going to go mix up the blue and then I will be back. And here is the Peeking Reindeer. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so pleased with this. Is it not the cutest? And he goes all the way through. Oh my word. I am so happy with how these turned out. It was worth all the work. Oh my. I am so pleased. Ew, this is just so cute. I really, really, really am happy with these. It was worth the effort. Oh, look at him. He's peeking out over a mound of snow. It's adorable. I think it's adorable. You'll have to let me know what you think. I hope you love it as much as I do.